Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a permanent 301 redirect in your WordPress. I am going to show you two ways, one with a plugin and the second way without a plugin. So let's start with the first way by using a plugin. So as you can see here, I have two blog posts talking about the same subject, a paleo diet for example. This is the newer post and I would like to redirect this old post to the new post and then deleting the old post because we won't need it anymore. So in order to do that, let's use a plugin and we'll go to plugins, add new. Let me just drag this new window to the left, and here we are going to look for Easy Redirect Manager. We're gonna go with this result and I'm going to click on install now and then on activate. After activating the plugin, we can access the interface through this link or go to settings and then 301 redirect. Very good. So here we just need to make sure that it's pointing on permanent 301, and here we can see our root domain grayed out, so we can change it, but we can enter the end of the URL. So if we want to redirect this old post, we're gonna copy the old post URL just like that. I'm going to paste it over here, but we need to delete the website root URL just like that because we have it here already. So that looks good. So now we need to enter the new URL. We can do it in a couple ways. We can choose post and then choose it from the list over here, the drop down list that contains our blog post, or we can use the custom option and copy the full address and paste it over there. So I'm gonna click copy and I'm gonna come here and I'm going to paste it over here. I'm going to leave the root address in place because we do need it, and I'm going to click save and we can see that we created this rule. Great, so now let's check it. I'm going to view this old URL and it's supposed to redirect me to the new URL. I'm going to open it in a new tab, and as you can see, it took me to the new page, to the new URL. And now I'm going to show you that I can delete it and still be redirected to the new URL. So first of all, let's copy the link address just like that. And now I'm going to trash this old post. I don't have it anymore. And when I will try to reach it, even though that the page doesn't exist, it will still going to take me to the new post URL. So it's working perfectly and you did a great job. That's how you redirect using a plugin. Now I'm going to show you how to redirect without a plugin. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to create a 301 redirect without a plugin, and that's by using and accessing the htaccess file. I don't recommend you to do it, especially if you are a WordPress beginners. This is not a route to go because the htaccess file is very gentle and even the smallest mistake can create big problems with your website. So if you are beginners, definitely stick with the plugins method. If you decided to go through the htaccess file, this is how we do it. So as you can see, I deleted the plugin, the redirect plugin, and now I'm going to show you how to do it. So you will need to access your website through an FTP client or through your MySQL dashboard. You may need to talk to your host provider in order to get a full access to those files. If you do have access to your website through FTP, go to your root folder and look for the .htaccess file and open it. Any text editor or note editor will be able to do that. Scroll down to the bottom of this file. If you have and WordPress, just paste the code above it. If you don't have it, just paste it all the way at the bottom. Go to my written blog post and here you have the code that we need to paste over there. So copy it from here, go back to your htaccess file and paste it over here at the bottom. Now we will need to change the relative path over here and redirect it to the full path over here. So let's do it. Again, go back to your blog post, copy the old URL address, the old post URL address, and paste it over here. but we don't need the root website address, so we're going to delete it, and we're just going to keep the relative path over here, just like that. And we need the full address of the new URL, so you're going to copy this one from here, and as you can see, we can also redirect it to a complete new website. We can redirect them to Google, okay? But here, as you can see, it's going to redirect from the left side to the right side. That's how it works. So save the file, re-upload it to your server, and now when you're going to visit the old URL, it will take you to the new URL, as you can see over here. Very nice. Now, if you want to create multiple redirects, let's say you want to redirect them from the contact us page to the documentation page or whatever, just copy and paste the line and change the links over here, and that's how you create multiple redirects.